this is only thin, but it's ever fucking hard. About that much, right?
Yeah.
Once you get it measured, then you measure out here an inch and a quarter or whatever it is. That'll slide in, and that folded edge will go about there.
Yeah, you're right.
So now that we got the floor out, Dad is just giving a good pressure washing here because he doesn't want to have to work in greasy condition, and he does have to weld here as well again. So what Dad did here today was they installed some new paneling up top, and we just got this cut into place here. Dad didn't want to do any more today because it's too hot and humid in the shop. He's going to cut the next panel up here, and then they're going to caulk everything, paint it. They got the sides to do yet. Everything's cut out below. You guys already knew that. But what he did was he took out the pressure washer and he actually pressure washed everything just to get out all the dirt and oil and all the other crap, so he doesn't have to deal with it. And as you notice, the transmission's nice and shining, so it was a diff. Actually cleaned in the front here as well. So when he's doing more welding, like, he's got a clean surface to weld on. And so he got in the front here. They're gonna clean out more stuff and prep the area. He actually washed underneath, and the reason why he washed underneath is all those metal shavings and whatever else that fell under when they were cutting out the belly pan. Here, obviously, all those shavings and whatnot were underneath. Again, he wants a clean welding surface. So, and when he's using the creeper underneath with the welding, with the belly pan, the new sheet, the 1/8 gauge that's going in there, he's going to be jacking everything up as he's going, so he needs a clean work area there. So yeah, that's what they did today, and they got more to go tomorrow. But every day is something new. But it's about 30 degrees Celsius here right now. Great weather for working in the shop, but it is humid as hell. We're all sweating, because it's probably about 40-50% humidity here right now with all the rain that's coming, and we're expecting more rain, but good inside day to work.